Hello everyone, welcome to LRDI Prep. My name is Samir Sardana and here we are. In this video, we are going to discuss CAT 2020 Slot 2, a matrix filling set. It's a very important one. Every candidate preparing for CAT must do this. It's an excellent logical reasoning set. A lot of learning in this set. Let's have a look at it. Let's read the direction first. It says, a farmer had a rectangular land containing 205 trees. He distributed that land among his four daughters, Bina, Chitra, Dipti, by dividing the land into 12 plots along 3 rows X, Y, Z and 4 columns 1, 2, 3, 4 as shown in the figure. So guys, we have this matrix here. This is the complete plot which has been divided into 3 rows and 4 columns. So that means there are total 12 plots. And all of these 12 plots contain 205 trees. It has been divided into rows and columns. So this is row number X, column number 1. This is row number X, column number 2, and so on. Some of these values are mentioned here. A represent the name of the daughter starting with A, that is Abha. C is the name of the daughter starting with the C, that is Chitra. So that means this plot contains 12 trees. This plot has been assigned to Abha, which contain 21 trees. This place is assigned to Bina, but we don't have the number of trees here. No mention of number of trees here. This is assigned to Abha. We have the number of trees here, but not the name. And all these values are missing. Now, with these instructions that have been given over here, you are supposed to fill in this whole matrix. Now, let's see that what does this information says. It says the plots in row X, Y, and Z contain mango, teak, and pine trees respectively. So that means row X contain mango trees, right? Y contain teak trees and Z contain pine trees. Each plot had trees in non-zero multiple of 3 or 4. Non-zero multiples of 3 or 4. And none of the plots had the same number of trees. That's the point here, guys, that you need to note down. None of the plot had the same number of trees. That means no value can reappear at any of these plot. Also, every number that should be coming in this whole plot must be the multiple of either 3 or 4. It should be a non-zero number. For example, here, you can see that this number is a multiple of 3. This is also a multiple of 3. This number is a multiple of 4. This is 3. All the values that you're supposed to fill in over here are supposed to be the multiple of 3, right? Or 4. Okay, now let's read further. If in the figure the number mentioned in the top left corner of a plot is a number of trees, that there's a number of trees in that plot, while the letter in the bottom right corner is the first letter of the name of the daughter. For example, this is for Bina, this is for Chitra, and so on, as I already explained to you. Now, that's it. Now these are the points that you need to note down, right? These are the points that you have to use to fill this whole matrix. Now, let's use one by one all of these statements. And if you go with the right interpretation of these statements, you can easily fill this whole matrix. It's a pure quantitative reasoning type of LR set. Now, look at the first information. It says, Abha got 12 trees more than Chitra, but 6 trees less than Dipti. Okay, it's about the number of trees that Abha got, right? Abha is getting 20 trees more than Chitra. Okay, so the number of trees with Abha is 20 more than Chitra, but it is 6 trees less than Dipti. So Abha's number of trees are 6 less than Dipti. So that's how A, C, and D are connected with each other in terms of number of trees. We'll use this information later because right now we don't know what are the number of trees with Abha and all, right? The largest number of trees in a plot was 32, but it was not with Abha. This is a maximum value in terms of number of tree that you can assign in any plot to any person, and it is not with Abha. So firstly, Abha is not having 32 number of plot, and maximum value of trees in any of this plot is equal to 32. Simple information, right? Third statement says the number of teak trees in column 3 was double of that in column 2. Number of teak trees in column 3 was double of that in column 2. So if I say that this value is x, this value will be double of it, 2x. But was half of that in column 4. Now this value is half of this in column 4. That means this has to be 4x. Okay. All right. Now you see that, guys. If I have to use this information, that this number has to be double, and I know that the value of x can be either 3 or it can be 4, right? Because we need to put the values as a multiple of 3 or 4. If I take, let's take the cases now. Let's take, if I'm saying that x is, let's say 3. If I'm taking this as 3, this will be 6 and this will be 12. And there's a statement mentioned over here that you cannot assign the same number of trees to any plot. Now, if you're mentioning 12 here, 12 has already appeared here, so 12 cannot come here. So 3, 6, 12 is eliminated, right? This is not a possible case, okay? If not 3, then what about 6? 6 is also multiple of 3. If I put 6 here, this will be 12, this will be 24. Again, 12 is coming here, 12 is already there. We cannot use 12 again. So this case again is eliminated, okay? What about the next case? Why not 9, 18 and 36? Next multiple of 3. You see that the maximum number of plot as mentioned in this particular statement is 32. No values can be more than 32. If I'm putting this as 9 with a third multiple of 3, this value is coming out to be 36. That's not possible. So can I say that the values which are coming in these 3 cells are definitely not a multiple of 3? If they are not a multiple of 3, then it must be the multiple of 4. So if I'm taking this value as 4, this has to be, if I'm taking this value as 4, this has to be 8, this has to be 16. Okay. Why not 8? If I take this value as 8, this will be 16, this will be 32. Now, this plot will have 32 plots, 32 trees, and that plot has been assigned to Abha. It is given that Abha is not having any plot which is having 32 number of trees. So 8, 16, 32 is also eliminated. Putting more than 8 in this will take this value more than 32. That's not possible. So the only case left is putting 4 number trees here, 8 here and 16 here. So let's use this information now. 4, 8 and 16. That's the number of trees that we got in these plot. This plot will have 4, this plot will have 8, this plot will have 16. Now we get to know how many plots are there, how many trees are there in this. Total number of trees in Y is 21 plus 4, 25, 25 plus 8 would be 33, 33 plus 16 would be 49. So this is having 49 number of trees in total. And the total number of trees that I have is 105, right? Total number of trees that I have is, as per the question, 205. Now, if this total number of trees are 205, out of it 49 are here. So I'll be left with 160, 156 more number of trees, which will be coming in row number X and Z. Okay, let's use further. Let's use some more information here. Okay, so we have used information till 3, right? Both Abha and Beena got a higher number of plots than Dipti. That's about the number of trees that Abha and Beena got. We'll be using this information later, right? We need a point which can help us in filling the whole tree in terms, whole matrix in terms of number of trees. So only Beena, Chitra and Dipti got corner plots. So B, C and D can corner plots. That means A cannot come in the corner. A cannot come in the corner, right? Only B, C, D will be coming in the corner, okay? Dipti got 2 adjoining plots in the same row. Dipti is getting 2 adjoining plots in the same row. So that means Dipti can get these 2 plots, or Dipti can get these 2 plots, or Dipti can get these 2 plots. 2 plots have been assigned to Dipti and both are in the same row. Beena was the only one. Beena was the only one who got a plot in each row and each column. Okay, so Beena is supposed to be present in each of these rows as well as in each of these columns. So Beena is having a plot in each of the row as well as in each of the column. Again, a point that cannot help us in finding out the number of trees at this point of time. Chitra and Dipti did not get plots which were adjacent to each other. Now, Chitra and Dipti are not getting the plots which are adjacent to each other either in row or column or diagonal. Now, you can use this information that I need to assign 2 plots to Dipti in same row, say in 2 adjacent rows, but C and D are not adjacent, row wise, column wise or diagonal wise. So if C is there, D cannot come here. If C is here, D cannot come here. C is here, D cannot come here. So I'm also supposed to assign a corner plot to Dipti as per the statement mentioned over here that BCD are getting the corner plots. So can I say that if I want to assign two plots in the same row, in the adjacent and two adjacent plots in the same row, this is the only option left with me. Can I say these two plots must belong to Dipti? And because Bina is present in every row and column as per the statement that we have just read, can I say Bina will definitely come here for sure? Bina is supposed to be present in every row and column. And you also see that Bina is here, Bina is here. In this column, we don't have, at this point of time, we don't have where the Bina will be because Bina can here or Bina can also be here. But I need Bina in this column also. This plot is already assigned to D, this is already assigned to A. So can I say Bina will definitely be coming over here because Bina is having a plot in each row and in each column. So this plot must belong to Bina, right? Okay. All right. Chitra and Dipti did not get plots. Okay, we have read this. The number of mango trees was double the number of teak trees. That's a main point here. Number of mango trees are double of the number of teak trees. So can I say that this value will be 98? Now the total number of plots are 205, 98 here, 49 here. The total is 9 plus 8, 17, 9 plus 4, 13 plus 1, 14. So the number of plots left for Z row, which are the pine trees, will be 15 minus 7, 8, 9 minus 4, 5. These numbers of plot will definitely be 58. The number of plots in this particular row will be 58. Okay. All right. So that's the information that we have. Number Abha got 20 more trees than Chitra. Okay, we don't know what Chitra is getting. Abha is getting 6 less plots than Dipti. Okay, we are supposed to use these two information. We have not used this information yet. So we'll be using it later, right? And the largest number of trees, we have used this. The number of teak trees in column 3, we have used this information. Both Abha and Bina got a higher number of plots than Dipti. Okay, both Abha and Bina got a higher number of plots than Dipti. So Abha must be getting more number of plots than Dipti, and we know that Dipti has got these two plots. So Abha must be coming at any of these three regions, right? One of these three regions will definitely belong to Abha. And also B will definitely be coming at any of these two places. Now C has got two plots till now. Okay. Right. So what's the next point that we need to use? What we can do here is, I know that there is one plot. There is a one plot which is definitely having the maximum number of trees, and that is 32. Now, is it possible that any of these two will have 32 number of plot? Okay, let's see that. This total number of trees are 58 here, right? These can I say that these two values will definitely be equal to 58. Now, what are the possible combination of having 58 here? If any of this column is having, let's say, 32 number of plot, then the another plot will be having 26, 6 plus 2, 8, 3 plus 2, 5. Okay. That's a possibility. We cannot say this for sure, right? 32 and 26 is just a possibility. Okay. Now, if I have to divide B and C, there must be some information that we have to use here. Abha is getting 20 more plots than Chitra, and Abha is getting 6 less plots than Dipti. All right. All right. So, all right. So, guys, yes, there's a point here we can use that if I'm taking a value of 32 here, right? We have missed one. I have missed one information, right? So that's a point here that you all need to take care that every number that I'm putting in any of these cell must be a multiple of 3 and 4. We have not used this information. If I'm saying that any of these two cell is having 32 plot, then the second one will definitely be having 26. Now, this number is neither a multiple of 3 nor a multiple of 4. So can I say that 32 as a value cannot come at any of these two places? If 32 is not coming at any of these two cells, 32 must be coming at any of these three cells for sure, right? Now the total value I'm supposed to put over here is 98, and one of these three cell will definitely be out of this. We have 12 here. 98 minus 12 will give us 86 plot, 86 trees, and one of out of these 86 trees, one of the plot will definitely have 32, so I'll be left with 54. Now I need to take two numbers. I need to take two such numbers which are the multiple of we need to divide 54 in such a way that both of these two values, both of the values are the multiple of either 3 or 4. One thing is for sure that one of these plot will definitely be having 32, right? 32 can come at any of these three cell, right? Now, what are the other possibilities here? The rest of the two values summation would be 54. Now, if I say that two value sum, let's say A and B are is equal to 54, and both of these two value is a multiple of either 3 or 4. What are the possibility? And none of the value can be more than 32. So less than 32, the next multiple of 3 is 30. The highest multiple of 3, just less than 32 is 30. If I'm taking this value as 30, this value has to be 24. And if I go further, 29 is not a multiple of 3 or 4, then I can take this as 28, but 28 is already there, so I cannot use 28. 27 is a multiple of 3, but if I take 27 here, it has to be 27 plus 27. That means two plot will be having the same number of trees. That is also not possible. So this case is also eliminated. Then I'm left with again, the only option that I'll be left with will be again 24 plus 30. Less than 27, 26 is not a multiple of 3, 25 is not a multiple of 3, and then you will come out with 24. We are already discussing a case of 24 and 30. So the rest of the two values in this will definitely be 24 or 30, right? So these three cells will be having the trees as 32, 30 and 24. But at this point of time, I do not know which cell will be having 32, which cell will be having 30, which cell will be having 24. But one of these cells is definitely made of 32, 30 or 24. All right. Okay. So that's the point here, right? And now we are left with B and C also. Similarly, if I have to make the cases for B and C, if I have to make a cases for B and C, the B and C total will be what? Let's see what should be the total of B and C. I have total 58 trees in this row. 28 plus 9 is 37. 58 minus 37 will be 21. Now B and C summation is 21, and the possibility of 21 would be, with both values being multiple of 3 or 4, would be either 3 plus 18 or 15 plus 6. Further, if I go 12, 12 is already there, so I cannot go with the case of 12. If I take 9 here, this value has to be 12. Again, 12 cannot come here. Then further, the next case would be 6 and 15. So these are the two cases I'm left with, right? That these two cells will be either making a combination of 318 or 615. 3 can come over here, 18 can come over here, 18 can come over here, 3 can come over here, 6 can come here, 15 here, 15 here, or 6 here, right? Any of this combination is possible, but we do not know at this point which will be the possible combination. Okay, so we got this, right, information about the number of trees, how this whole, what will be the number of trees in each of these cells, but with some possibilities, still the unique value is not known to us. Okay, now let's use this information. If I'm using this information that A is getting 20 more plot than C, and A is getting 6 less plot than D. Okay. Now, again, D value is not known to us right now. So again, we cannot use it. Now, let's use further. Let's see that which information we have to use it. Both Abha and Beena got a higher number of plots than Dipti. Now, Abha is getting more plots than Dipti, and Beena is also getting more plot than Dipti. Okay. So if I'm saying that Dipti must be getting, right, either 24 plus 30 or 32 plus 30, again, that number of possibility, okay. Only Beena, Chitra and Dipti got corner plots. Okay, we have used this. Dipti got 2 adjoining, ये हमने use कर लिया. Beena was the only one who got a plot in each row and each column. Now Beena is present in this column, Beena is present in this column, Beena is not present in this column. Bina is also not present in this row. So I need to make sure that Bina is present in this column as well as in this row. So you see that if I assign this plot to Bina, Bina's condition of being present in each row and in each column will get fulfilled. So we can say that this plot must belongs to Bina, right? All right. Chitra and Dipti did not get plot which were adjacent to each other. Okay. The number of mango trees was double. We have used this information. Okay. All right. Now we this value cannot be assigned to D, right? This value cannot be assigned to C also. Why? Because it is given that C and D are not in adjacent row or column. So if I assign this to C, C and D will be adjacent, right? So B cannot come here, C cannot come here, D cannot come here. The only option left for me to assign this number, assign this plot is to give it to A, right? So this plot must belong to A. Okay. Now we still have one more option here. This value is still not assigned to anybody. Okay. Dipti got two adjoining plots. Okay. Bina was the only one. Bina was the only one who got the number of plots in each row and column. That means nobody else can be in each row or column, right? Okay, neither A at this point of time, C is here, C is here, C is not here. Okay. Bina is supposed to be the only one who got a plot in each row and each column. Chitra and Dipti did not get plot, which only Bina, Chitra and Dipti got corner plots. Both Aba and Bina got higher number of plots than Dipti. Higher number of plots than Dipti. I want the number of plots of A to be more than D. I want B also need to have more number of plots than D, right? Both Aba and Bina got a higher number of plots than Dipti. At this point of time, you see that Dipti has got two plots, right? Dipti has got two plots. And Abha has got three plot. Bina has got 1, 2, 3, 4 plot. And C, Chitra has got 1 and 2 plot, right? So 4 plus 3, 7 plus 2, 9 plus 2, 11, right? We are left with one more plot. One more plot is supposed to be assigned. So which number has to be given? Each daughter, now you see that here, each daughter got an even number of plots. Now that's a point we missed, right? Each daughter got an even number of plot. So if I want to make Abha's number of plot to be even, one more plot need to be assigned to Abha, and that must be this plot, right? So now we got every information that which plot is given to which person, right? This must be given to A. Abha need to have 4 number of plots. So at this point of time, Abha have only 3 plots. So we need to make it 4. So therefore, this plot will be given to Abha, right? Now let's use the next information here. Now we are left with this information only, that Abha's number of plot is 20 more than C, and Abha's number of Abha's number of trees, not the number of plot. Abha's number of tree are 6 less than Dipti. All right, let's use this information from here. We can see that the number of plots with Abha at this point is 21 plus 4, 25, 25, 21, 9, 30, 30, 34, 34 plus 16 would be 50. So Abha has got 50 plots at this point of time. And Abha's number of trees, the number of trees with Abha's are 50, and which is 20 more than C. So can I say C must be getting 30? Now if C is getting 13, 12 is here. That means this plot must be having 18 number of trees. Now if this has 18 number of trees, then to make this as 18, I need to take a case of 3 and 18. So this will be having three trees, right? And then we got Abha is also getting 6 less than Dipti. So can I say Dipti must be having 50, Abha's number of trees are 6 less than Dipti. So Dipti must be having 56 tree. Now, if I want to give 56 trees to Dipti, you see that which of these two values will give me a summation of 56, and that's only 32 and 24. So can I say that both of these two cells will be either 32 or 24, right? 32 or 24, so that the total can come out to be, for Dipti can come out to be 56. And this value you see for Bina would then definitely be 30, right? That's it. This is the whole set now. Now that we have filled the matrix, you can easily answer all the question. Let's have a look at the questions now. If I look at the first question, how many mango trees were there in total? Now, this was a question that you could have answered at the start of the set. You don't need to fill the whole matrix. This is just an exercise for you. The mango trees are 98. This we already know. So third option is the correct answer. This question had 6 questions in it. Which of the following is the correct sequence of trees received by Abha, Bina, and Chitra and Dipti in that order? Okay, we are supposed to find out the number of trees of Abha, Bina, Chitra, and Dipti. Abha, we have seen, is getting 50, right? So we have 50 with Abha. Dipti, we know, is 56. So 50 and 56. So this is the only option which have allotted 50 number of trees to Abha and 56 to Dipti. So straight away you can go with this option. A is the correct answer. How many pine trees did Chitra receive? Pine trees are, you can see, are in the third row, and Chitra is having 18 pine trees. So therefore the answer to the question will be second option. Who got the plot with the smallest number of trees, and how many did that plot have? Who got the plot with the smallest number of trees? The smallest number of trees plot. You see that the smallest number of trees plot is this plot, and B is getting that plot. And so the smallest number of plot had 3 trees, and that's given to B. So third option would be the correct answer. Which of the following statement is not true? Bina got 32 pine trees. Let's check. Bina got 32 pine trees. Bina got 32. No, Bina is getting 31 pine trees. 3 here and 28 here. I'm supposed to find out which of the following statement is not true. So yes, Bina got 32 pine trees is a wrong statement. That is a correct, that's not true statement, right? So this is correct answer. Which column had the highest number of trees? The highest number of trees you can see is 32, and we do not know that which column is this. Either it can be 3 or it can be 4. At this point of time, we don't have any information. Here we don't have any information which can help us in finding out that which of these two cells will be having 32 number of trees, right? So therefore the answer to this question will be cannot be determined. That is option 2. That's your whole set. It had 6 questions in CAT exam. Guys, subscribe to LRDI Prep if you like this video, and if you're following this channel, if you're watching all the videos, please like and share with all of your friends. I have uploaded 500 plus videos on logical reasoning and data interpretation for your CAT exam preparation. Please like it and share it with all of your friends. The 100% syllabus will get covered on LRDI section, on LRDI Prep. This is my Telegram group, which you can use for your CAT exam preparation. The link of the group is given in the description part of the video. Please use that. I'm coming up with a course of 500 must-solve arithmetic question course. I'll be starting this course on 30th of June. This would be on Plus. You can use my referral code LRDI SMEAR Live. This will give you a 10% off on Plus subscription. Also, there's a bumper offer going on where you'll get 1 extra month subscription for your exam preparation like Snap, IFT, and ZET if you go for the subscription now. So use the code LRDI SMEAR Live for 10% off. Thank you so much. Please like and share. Thanks a lot.